Did you know the district has launched a redesigned version of watermatters.org? It contains all the important resources users rely on, now in an easier-to-navigate format. Let's take a look at some of the new great features. Right at the top, you'll notice the home page features a search tool to quickly find information. Below the search tool, you'll find navigation menus organized by topics. These menus include About, Residents, Business, Programs and Projects, Resources, and Recreation. For example, click on Residents and you'll see information about conserving water, Florida-friendly landscaping, and our education resources. Under the Recreation menu, users will find our new and improved reservation system, which can be used to view campsite availability in real time, make reservations, and receive online confirmation requests. Below the navigation menus, you'll find links to our most visited areas like e-permitting and our careers page. The new site also provides a simple design that is compatible with tablets and phones. So visit the new watermatters.org today and explore all it has to offer.